What's the meaning of churchy? Churchy. Churchy.
Churchy. Churchy. The term churchy refers to things or people that have a strong association with formal religion, particularly the Christian Church. It is often used to describe a person who displays excessive religiosity or piety. For example, someone may be described as acting churchy if they constantly talk about their faith, dress in an overly modest fashion, or judge others based on religious beliefs. The term can also be used to describe aspects of religious practices or architecture that are particularly ornate or grandiose in nature.